much luck up the family tree. My parents divorced, both grandparents called it quits. I like to think that's sort of the genesis of a songwriter, you know what I mean? Gave me something to write about. Little bit of trauma. But I wrote this song when I was 16, and I chose to call my third album by the same title because I just felt like it was so, I don't know, I felt like I was reaching the same point I'd watched my mum and grandma, which was a little bit depressing. But it's a song called Who Wants. Thank you for being so kind to me, by the way, Alston. I really, really appreciate it. You and I ghosts now, we both live in a ghost town. Don't even sleep in the same bed. It's too much to feel silence. Filling my head with what's been said. You like to mumble under your breath. This is just madness. Oh, who wants to talk about love when it all goes wrong? I'd to sit in the dark and turn the lights on. And don't remember when you rush home. Now you stayed and I wait alone. Who wants to talk about love when it's so gone? And amongst cities and problems, who I found that I lost him. It's okay, it don't hurt anymore, but I can't live so vacant. And if I left it, it'd break him. He loves me, but it's her he adores. And who wants to talk about love when it all goes wrong? Better to sit in the dark and turn the lights on. And don't remember when you rush home. Now you stay late and I wait all alone. Who wants to talk about love when it's so gone? Now I bathe in the cold air, waiting for revelation to come. You wanna push things, little lady, far too much. You better stand back before I hear Who wants to talk about love when it all goes wrong? Better to sit in the dark and turn the lights on. And don't remember when you rush home. Now you stay late and I wait alone. Who wants to talk about love when it's so gone? Now it's so gone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, this next song's a version of my version of a love song. It's sort of as happy as it gets. It's about running away. It's called Side Effects. What you say we just get away? Pack up and save it for a rainy day. It's a side effect of love, my dear. What you say we get out, just run. Follow our instincts and the setting sun. It's a side that you scared me. Give me the keys, it's gonna be okay. It's just a side effect of changing your life. It's got you questioning everything you've become, wanting more than to be a number one, hating everything you've gone to be. Hey lady, you wanna be happy with me? Give me a sign, and we'll go if it's dead on tomorrow. Give me a sign, and we'll leave if it's dead. Leave in peace. It's just a side effect of changing your love. Just a side effect of changing your life. Side effect of changing your love. Just a side effect of changing your life. Give me a sign, and we'll go. It's tonight, tomorrow. Give me a sign, and we'll leave. It's tonight, baby, please. How we all doing? I lied. I said that was as happy as it was going to get, and that would have been bad. But this song is the only optimistic one I got. I've got that British cynicism, you know what I mean? I'm just like, my grandma's always like, she's like, you need to write a love song, that'll be the one that goes. I'm like, Grandma, I'm shit at writing love songs. But this one's called Now's the Time. It's about getting out of bed when you're a bit depressed. Baby, put your jeans on, put your head on straight. Baby, put your Mondays in the rain. Don't get too excited, keep your temper checked, and just know that I know they can see the best of you. Yeah, yeah. Lucky to have met when we met. I know I'm not innocent of the gray skies in my head, but I think you should hear me, 'cause I'm meant what I said. Never have I ever seen a better day together. There's a right another one that knows the time to go again. we can't keep looking at the same old view. I know I'm on the sun, the gray skies in my head, but I think you should hear me, 'cause I'm in when I said never have I ever seen a better day to get it. Doesn't matter about the weather, now's the time to go and get it. Thank you so much. Oh, I was wondering if that was me then. Amsterdam, I'm going to be honest with you, I've not played piano on tour for about, 4 or 5 years? And I've been saying it's quite funny because I always express some sort of uncertainty about it, and I think of all the other professions I couldn't express uncertainty. Do you know what I mean? Like a doctor, be like, well, I've not done this in a couple of years, so get ready for what's about to happen. No, I wanted to bring it out tonight because I know how much you guys love music and how much the city supports music, so I was like, show up. But this song's called My Motto. I wrote it a long time ago now. Sing it with me if you know it, yeah? We're doing okay. I always feel nervous on the piano. It's like, I'm watching you now. I'm not. Oh, now it hurts again, 'cause I'm left out. I believe the promises. Oh, how does it hurt again? I should know better than to believe it. And all this sorrow, will be gone tomorrow. And that's my motto. Don't let him near enough to let me down. All his love ever does is break me now. And if it hurts so much to stay, then let him go. And that's my motto. I'm not a fool. And Lord knows I'll be stupid if I still wanted you. But if I do, repeat the message to that door and do all this sorrow. Who will be gone tomorrow, and that's my motto. Don't let him near enough to let me down. Break me now. And if it hurts so much to stay, then let him go. And that's my motto. And if you call, oh no, I won't crawl back into your arms. I'll fall alone, 'cause I'm better off being home alone. And that's my motto. Don't let him near enough to let me song called 17, and I just never get to play it because I never play piano. So this is a privilege for me. You asked me to be honest, well you're tempting fate. How I'd love to promise, but it's one I can't make. Oh knows it'd kill me if you walked away. But darling, my lies, they hide you from the pain. Stay, let me explain why I act so mean. Don't look away, baby, it's not all that it seems. I'm so afraid that you just get up and leave. My heart will break like I'm 17. You're not the first one to leave me, and you won't be the last. It just doesn't heed me like it did in the past. I won't ever be seen to act like you act. So take someone easy and leave it at that. Stay, let me explain why I act so mean. Don't look away, baby, it's not all that it seems. I'm so afraid that you'll just get up and leave. My heart will break. I say less than I should, I say more than I mean. If I had more I would change the code, but you see I have walls that have stood before you ever loved me. I have walls that have stood before you ever loved me. Stay, let me explain why I act so mean. Don't look away, baby, it's not all that it seems. I'm so afraid that you'll just get up and leave. My heart will break like I'm 17. Break like I'm 17. Break like I'm 17. Thank you, Amsterdam. Thank you so much. Do you mind if I do one more here? Thank you so much, by the way. I really, really appreciate it. This next song is me at my most melodramatic, but it always makes me cry. It's a song called If I Die. It finished my first record, which I kind of love. 18-year-old me, I'm like, if I die. But here we go. If I die, put me in a stone. Tell everyone how in love I've been. If I die, put me in a stone, so I'll live on in your melody. If a day comes where I am cold, then let me go and be happy. And if you're sad, then make up a tune that I can live through and you'll carry. If I die, don't put me in stars. I'm never that far away from you. If I dare put me in a song, a beautiful one that plays on and on. If I dare to live a real one, that I'm not gone, I'm just watching, I'm just watching. If I dare put me in stars, I'm never that far away from you. Put me in words, not hallelujahs. Words come from the heart and they'll ring true. Thank you so much, Amsterdam Cheese. Alright, should we get the party started? This is a song called Save Your Tears. It's a little song you can have a little dance to. Here we go. There's a sharp light through your thin blondes, and your sad eyes drift through my mind. It's a great day for the lampshade. There's you, don't go walking with your head down. I'll do anything for you now, so just save all your tears for me. There's a ticket on your table. Come and see me if you're able. Come back to me. I'm for clarity. Oh, don't go walking with your head down. I'll do anything for you now, so just save all your tears for me. Oh, just save all your tears for me. When the sky is falling down, look for me between the clouds. I will always be around. Save all your tears for me. When the days too hard to face, make the dark illuminate. I want to say this in the matters, just the trying to get a medic. If you want it, you can have it all for free. Don't go walking with your head down. I'll do anything for you now, so just save all your tears for me. You don't ever need a doubt. I will always be around, so just save all your tears for me. Oh, just save all your tears for me. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, the story behind this next song I'm going to play you is sort of when I was a kid I wrote a lot of sad songs. So I could only play in these competitions and they would be a bit like, why are you so sad? I'm like, don't worry about it. Definitely wouldn't win. But then when I moved to London, I started playing in blues bars and I'd sort of just get chatted over. I remember one particular one, they brought the football down, but you know what I mean? And I was like singing along. Yeah, tragic. But look where we are now! But I met this guy at this blues bar, right? And I said to my mum, I was like, oh, he's the one. And my mum was like, I think not, Jade. But we got this song out of it. It's a song called Luxury. I was 19 and you were 23 and we stayed in number 4 Ferdinand Street. It was the bar. We spent 5 talking about our lives, but we told our dad about 1,000 times, and I'm bored of all that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you bet it on me. old is he and I 26 now, but he's 30. How messed up is that? Oh, forget it, he says. I'm a jealous man and I don't want to talk about that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You're still betting on me. Hold on, my dear, hold on real tight. It's just a numbers game in my mind, and we've been here 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000. You used to tell me that love is a lottery and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You're still betting on me. You used to tell me that love is a lottery and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're betting on me. Are you still betting on me, baby? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. I don't know how far back you go with me, Amsterdam. Does anyone know the Something American EP? Oh, I might do a couple from there then. Does anyone like Cathedral? This is another one I didn't play for a while because I think I just saw someone high five. I love that. Yes, I told you. I didn't play this for the longest time because I was obviously engaged and didn't quite make it to the altar, so it felt a bit too soon, you know what I mean? But we're good now, we're happy, come on. Here we go. I woke all in the way, right in the middle of the night. I hoped I knew that I had left you with no reason why. And I know I wasn't kind, and you probably lost your mind, but oh, I couldn't find one reason on the road a mile. I heard it from the end of the cathedral, baby, I was gonna break your heart. Hidden in the lungs of something evil, knew we had to stop before we started to torture each other and wonder why we ever promised until we died. And I swore that I'll never leave you behind, but I've seen the light, oh, I've seen the light. You made me feel so safe. I'll recall it like it's yesterday, arranged like a thought out maze. I tried but couldn't find a way. And I was screaming out, and you told me that we were bound. And I was screaming out, now all I hear is the sound. I heard it from the end of the cathedral, baby, I was gonna break your heart. Hidden in the bands of something evil. I've been smoking too many fags, do you know what I mean? But maybe it might go with the tune. I'm really into, I remember my parents were in sort of dance music, like my mum was very young, so I sort of hear coming through the floor just like, A bit like your city, you know what I mean? I think there's a lot of that, isn't there? Not so much as Berlin, but anyway, I'm going on a tangent. When I found blues music, I was really just like, whoa, what is this? And that was my cool. And so I found this guy called Son House, and he did this record called Grinning in Your Face, and I'm going to give it a go. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Oh my goodness, okay. Don't you mind people grinning in your face? Don't you mind people grinning in your face? Oh, man, it's in mine. It's in mine, it's all fine. So don't you mind people grinning in your face? You know your mother will talk about you. Your own brothers and your sisters too. They don't care, trying to win and talk about you still. In your face, don't you mind people grinning in your face? Oh, that is in mine, the different is all fine. Don't you mind people grinning in your face? Thank you so much. Thank you. I've got a couple more left for you, Amsterdam. I wasn't going to do this one, but I might try it out. It's a new song, and it's not out anywhere, and it might never be. So you let me know if you like it. It's called Hit and Miss. 6 days of nothing, singing down the phone and radio silence. I really know how to choose them. Now I've tried over without any violence. No winning, just losing. But I'm looking at you and you're hardly trying. Mr. Daydream, head in the clouds. Let me know when you're coming down. 'Cause you're here and miss every single time. Are you out or in? It's time to decide. Is it hit or miss? I'm aiming down my sights. I can either love you, shake the ground, the stones above you, make it easy, make a move, or leave yourself. star, straight to the AM. I'm such a fool, got everything in you. Your mind is so blue, I'm singing for nothing. I get no joy. I get no joy. All the words I'm never sing and see together on my head. Everything because everything you live, you love your day. I get no joy. I swear that I don't pay attention. If I did, with intervention come to me in a dream. Or is that just what the directors and the pills and the deflectors would have you believe? Psychotic, hypnotic, erotic, what did you think? That's how many days a week do you feel? Electric, connected, unexpectedly affected, what do you need? What do you need? I get no joy. I get no joy. All the words I'm never saying can see together on my head. Everything because everything you live, you love your day. I get no joy. I know the sun will shine another day, another time. I know the sun will shine another day, another time. I know the sun will shine. I know the sun will shine. Electric, connected, unexpectedly affected. What do you need? What do you need? I get no joy. I get no joy. All the words I'm gonna say can see together by my head. Everything because everything you live in, love your day. I get no joy. I get no joy. No joy. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I've had the best night ever, oh my god. Should we do one sad one and then one that's a bit of a bar like smasher? Okay. This I'm like, well maybe it's a bit more subdued this time, woo next time, you know what I mean? No, I'm joking. I promise I'm not on drugs and I am not drunk. It just happens. Sorry about music, eh? This next song is basically, I finished my third album with her and it's very close to my heart. It's a song about my dad and we've not spoken in years and it's not fixed and it's a bit of an open resolve, but it's called Wish You Well. Thanks for indulging me, Amsterdam. Found myself on the floor last night. You and me look so alike, but I don't wanna be a thing like you, burning bridges to tame the truth. Make a move. Why don't you, if I ever see your face, hope that I'm not filled with hate for all the hurt you gave and all the hell. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. Write it down, it's the only way. Otherwise the words just escape. I'm a kid all over again, crying over everything you said. Make a move. Why don't you, if I ever see your face, hope that I'm not filled with hate for all the hurt you gave and all the hell. Oh, when all the black and all the gray is gone to past and washed away, I hope I can love you again. When I am older than I am now, will you be there to come around? I hope it is not am, I promise you, a bar. I called it a bar smasher, didn't I? I don't know what is it called? A hoedown. There we go. Are you ready to hoe down, Amsterdam? Here we go. It's called Going Gone. Thank you so much. Cigarettes and alcohol, you lost yourself. Telling the same stories you did all the last week. The bar is closing, darling, please put that bottle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, babe, there's the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your maid. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down, you work it up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's going, going, going. Sorry, Mr. Einstein's already past your bedtime. It's too big and talking shit, get over yourself. I'm sure you would go very far if you even had a car. But I hate to inform you still living in your mother's house.